In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to do this, it's this one over here, the mouse cursor. You want to highlight over whatever you want to copy. So for example, I'm just going to highlight over this and I'm going to right click and click on copy. Alternatively, you could also use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and C, and that's also going to copy that specific part of your PDF document, okay? That's the first thing you can do. And then to actually paste it, now you can't directly paste inside a reader. You must have Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Pro to be able to paste. However, you can go to comment over here and you can of course use this text tool over here to position yourself anywhere, and then you can right click and click on paste. So right click paste like this, or you could also press Ctrl and V on your keyboard and it's going to paste whatever you have copied, okay? This is going to work in any of these comments over here, inside sticky notes, inside these text boxes, etc. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.